Hello, these are just some of my observations while driving my EV in England. And this might make you wonder about the term fallen off the back of a lorry, because it does look a little suspect, don't you think? But what am I doing? I am approaching Birchhanger services with a very low state of charge in my Hyundai Ioniq. You can see I only have 6 miles on the range and there is a queue leading up to the services. This was an opportunity to see just how low you can push a 28 kilowatt hour wind knife. So far, I have been pleasantly surprised by how well this Ioniq has performed, and that's coming from a Tesla Model S owner. Admittedly, you can't do a direct comparison between these two differently priced EVs, but on the whole, the cheaper Ioniq really does hold its own, and it has made me wonder whether I really need to have a Tesla here in England. But more on those thoughts in a later video. Back to the battery limit in the Ioniq. You can see that in just 200 to 300 yards, the range went from 6 to 5, then 4 miles. It dropped to 4 miles or 5% state of charge when I was turning into the EV chargers, and there was a drastic loss of power. So luckily I was in the right place at the right time. For 28 kilowatt hour Ioniq users, I don't recommend letting the battery drop to 10%, which is about 13 miles on the range. So realistically, you will only have 8 to 9 miles to get to a charging point. However, you will get a first warning notice from the Ioniq at 13%, or about 18 miles. I hope you found this useful, and thanks for watching.